Hi guys and welcome to the channel.
We bring to you another food vlog from Singapore, and in this video we are going to share with you some of our favorite Mexican restaurants that we really love. Now you'll see that throughout this video we have tried a lot of different variety, so you'll realize that there are so many different options that when it comes to Mexican food that you can try even as vegetarians.
So let's go la!
Kenla! Let's go!
So we are here at one of my favorite Mexican places. This is at Amoy Street called Muchachos. This is actually very near to my workplace and I was very regular here before pandemic, and I'm coming after 8 months and I'm so excited, and I have just ordered my favorite vegetarian quesadilla. Look at this. It tastes so good and the cheese is oozing, melting. It's amazing. It's my favorite. I can eat every day this quesadilla. So now let me give it a try, and after 8 months I'm eating my favorite quesadilla. It's so good. You can really see the vegetables are really well sauteed and with a lot of sauces and good amount of cheese which is melted, and all this with a nice grill on top of the wrap. It's heaven.
In general, I love Mexican, but what happens is that the quantities and portion sizes are generally very big. So, for example, I love burritos, but all the filling and the bread becomes too much for me. So instead, I have started opting for a burrito bowl. So I have been here before. I have tried it once. I am coming here after a very long time, so I'm looking forward to trying it. And burrito bowl is essentially a mix of Mexican rice, beans, tomato salsa, different vegetables, sour cream and cheese, and a dash of cilantro on top. So, digging in now. Yeah, this is a really good burrito bowl version. I can recall the taste that I mentioned I had months ago. So yeah, a really good option if you are looking for Mexican food. This is a quick service format, so it's not a fancy restaurant that I would suggest that if you want to have a chill time, but you want to have quick, delicious Mexican grub, then this is the place to be. Hello, ni hao, namaste. It's Saturday afternoon and we are at Lorong Mambong in Holland Village, which is quite popular for its restaurants and bars. And we are headed towards this place called El Patio, which is a go-to place for Mexican grub whenever we are in the area. And this place is really cool, has very artistic vibes, and we quite enjoy the place.
So one of our favorite items is here. It's called fajita. These are grilled vegetables and they serve with the wrap as well as sour cream, guacamole and tomatoes and vegetables. So usually you can make it on your own way and the way you like it, number of spices, vegetables you want to keep it. So my fajita is ready. So they have a lot of vegetables, tofu inside in Mexican spices. So now let me try it out. You want? Very nice flavors. The vegetables are really grilled good with good amount of spices, and with all this sour cream and all, it tastes really nice. And the other order is here as well. So this is quesadilla, mushroom spinach quesadilla along with guacamole, sour cream as well as some vegetables. Now it's time to try quesadilla. Very good quesadilla with a lot of cheese, grilled to perfection, crispy layer on top of it, and with sour cream and guacamole. It's really good.
we are at the Riverside Point, which is just across Clarke, and we are headed towards our go-to Mexican place in this part of town, which is called Cafe Iguana. And this is slightly on the higher side, but it's actually a very nice, vibrant little place which has great outdoor seating overlooking the river.
And the food is really good there. Hello folks, and we are continuing a Mexican food tour in Singapore. As you might have seen, we are trying to order different dishes at various places. So today we have ordered nachos with beans, rice, and they add a lot of cheese and vegetables, and they bake it and provide us. And this is jalapeno poppers, which is chili, jalapeno chili filled with cream cheese. And we have also ordered chimichanga and our drinks. This is so good. You have this nice chili which is melted with beans, olives, and then you have a lot of vegetables and Mexican rice and with some jalapenos which gives you that kick. So this is just amazing nachos. So now this is jalapeno poppers. This is half jalapeno, actually not a full jalapeno, which is breaded. You can see a lot of melted cheese inside, and it's very crispy on the top. And let me add some sauce. Nice and hot, very good taste, and the chili is so flavorful, and it gives you the kick, but it's not too spicy. But overall, it's a very good starter to order here.
Now we are having something that's called as a chimichanga, which is a fried burrito, which is then filled with grilled vegetables and a lot of melted cheese, served on a bed of Mexican rice and with guacamole and sour cream on the side. It's I think like really flavorful, really filling, and along with the fried burrito you can balance it out with the freshness of the guacamole and the sour cream. So yeah, really good, and I think I'm having this chimichanga for the first time here, and so far I like it. Hola hola! It's a nice and bright Sunday morning, and we are at Robertson Quay, where we are headed to a place called Super Loco, which is another one of our favorite Mexican places. Now we are headed for brunch, so I just wanted to point out that they have different menus for brunch, lunch and dinner, but there are decent vegetarian options in both. So let's go and check it out.
Mic testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Hello, hello. So today we have ordered a couple of things in here which are quite unique here at Super Loco. Favorite dish here, it's a charred grilled corn and they add a lot of cheese, chili, lime on that, and this dish is one you should definitely order here because it's really good. It is so good. Chili, sweetness, spicy, lemony, all flavors. It's like bursts of flavors in your mouth. So you should order this here.
Such a burst of flavors, and it has cheese on top of it. That's so good. And the combination of cheese, lime and chili, amazing. So good.
This is a really good taco. This is a jackfruit spice taco with a lot of pickled onions, carrots, and avocado and jam. So let me give it a shot. This is the first time I'm trying here. So let me try it. Really interesting. I have never tried a jackfruit taco before. It has a lot of fruity flavors and bit of onion and fresh vegetables is giving that good crunch. It's good. ये देखिए हमने ऑर्डर करे हैं कॉर्न के पकौड़े. So we have ordered another dish it's called corn fritters. They serve with guacamole, sour cream and onions, pickled onions, and with the dash of lime, and it's really looks really good. So let me give it a try. And by the way, I am having this for the first time here, so let's see. Very interesting flavors. With the corn, they have added a lot of cheese, which gives you very gooey flavor when you have this fritter. And the pickled onions and the sour cream adds that zestness to the overall corn fritters. So I am loving it. Thanks for watching the video, guys.
And if you have any more questions for us, then leave them in the comments. And do hit like and subscribe, and we hope to see you back here very soon.